Hey my lovelies, and how are you today? Hope you're doing good. Hope this video meets you well. So today we're going to be talking about 5 things that can affect fertility in men. So stick with me and let's begin. Number 1, sugar. Excessive intake of sugar. So sugar affects sperm motility and can also decrease your sex drive. So if you are trying to get pregnant, or generally as a man, cut down on your sugar intake. Not only can it affect your fertility, it also can cause other health issues like diabetes and so on. So excessive sugar, especially processed sugar, is a no-no. Number 2, excessive heat, either by taking too hot showers or in saunas or putting your laptop on your thighs. So the heat or the temperature in that area, which is your scrotum and your testes, is lower than that of the body. That is why it is outside or away from the body. So excessive heat can affect the quality of the semen that is being produced. So especially if you're trying to get pregnant, lay off excessive hot water. You know that hot water that people bath with, like they want to peel off their skin, or staying in saunas, or putting laptops on your thigh. And once you stop these habits, you can have new semen produced, and these ones will have better quality. Number 3, wearing tight pants. Now, wearing tight pants doesn't only affect sperm production or affects the quality of the sperm being produced, but it can also cause your testicles to twist. It can cause UTIs. It can cause decreased blood flow to that area, which can cause ischemia eventually. So as much as possible, don't wear pants that are too tight. You're squeezing yourself. Wear things that are breathable and you can have air and you can have proper blood flow into your testes and have proper and good quality sperms being produced. Excessive alcohol intake. Alcohol can decrease the size of your testes, which in turn can lead to impotence. It can also decrease testosterone production, increase estrogen production, which will decrease sperm production. So moderation is key when it comes to alcohol, especially if you're trying to get pregnant. If you and your wife or you and your partner are trying to get pregnant, I would advise to stay off alcohol until it happens. Untreated STDs. Many a times when you get STDs for some reason or the other and you have it untreated, you can cause prostatitis, orchitis, which is basically infection in the prostate, in the testis, in the gonad area, and this can eventually lead to infertility. So as much as possible, if you have any symptoms, if you have any painful urination, sores, any discharge, please see a doctor. Even if it goes away, see a doctor and get the appropriate treatment, because you may not see the effect now, but in future, if you're not trying to have a baby now, it may not look like anything, but in the future, with time, complications may occur because these things travel up and begin to cause complications in places that you don't want them to cause complications. It's similar to what happens when women have STDs and get what they call pelvic inflammatory disease, which can affect fertility later. So men too can have STDs, which can eventually affect them from having babies later in life. And a bonus tip will be to take vitamins. If you are trying to get pregnant, there are vitamins, there are prenatal vitamins for men. So if you are trying to get pregnant or you and your partner are trying, please take prenatal vitamins. Thank you so much for watching. And before I go, I just need to put out this disclaimer. I am not a fertility expert. If you are trying to get pregnant, please see a fertility expert. If you've been trying for up to a year with consistent coitus without protection, you should see a fertility expert and get yourselves checked. Some problems are treatable. Some things need the most minimal maneuvers in order to get the solution. So as much as possible, please see an expert, please see somebody and seek help. And there are other options too. Just keep an open mind, be prayerful, and there's nothing that's impossible. Thank you so much once more for watching. I hope to see you again next week. You can contact me via email or Instagram DMs, and I'll be sure to respond to you. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions of videos that you would like to see. Thank you again once more. And I also leave the link to the forum where you can contact doctors in case you have any medical issues. Remain blessed.